Chairmo of Esan Northeast Local Government Area for Edo State, Dr. Kelly Inedegbor, don lose his seat after the legislative arm of the council impeach am sake of financial misconduct and insubordination. Una go remember say for 17th December 2024, Edo State House of Assembly suspend all the 18 local government chairmen and their deputies sake of financial mismanagement and serious misconduct. After the suspension, the legislative arm of Esan Northeast gathered together to chook eye and torchlight the matter wella. According to them investigate am and find out say the allegations wey dem talk against the chairmo na true. Na that one come make Honorable Paul Akhere Uhomesili come take over as acting chairmo of the council and come promise say im go work well with im colleagues to make sure say the people go enjoy the benefits of democracy.
My name is Honorable Paul Uhomesili, the acting chairman Esan Northeast Local Government. As the acting chairman, I believe that with the cooperation of my colleagues, we'll be able to take the local government to a greater height. We'll make the local government great again. We're going to work within the ambition of the law. We're not going to do anything that will bring the local government down. We're going to do everything that will help us to make our people enjoy the dividends of the democracy. On the 17th of last month, the House of Assembly suspended the former chairman and his vice for financial misconduct and insubordination. I think thereafter, the leadership fall on me as the leader of the House to run the administration. The legislative arm of Esan Northeast now sat and looked into the suspension critically and discovered that they were actually guilty of the offense, the allegation. So they were now impeached by the legislator of Esan Northeast.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Esan Northeast Local Government Area of Edo State, Akhere Uhomesili, TMC TV News.